In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install Filmora 14 on your computer. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, to open the browser and search for Wondershare Filmora. Now open the first website. After come to the Wondershare Filmora website, need to click on Buy Now button. Then choose your plan. If you want to use Filmora 14 for lifetime, then this plan is for you. After choose your plan, you need to click on Buy Now button. Filmora offers 7 days free trial, so you can use Filmora 14 7 days for free. First, type your email address and click on Continue to Payment button. Now fill up your credit card information or process the payment by using PayPal. Once you complete the payment process, then you need to come to the Filmora official website and click on Get Started for free. Then Filmora will download on your computer. Then you need to install Filmora 14 on your computer. After complete the installation process, you need to click on Click to Login. Then type your email address and password which you use to create Wondershare Filmora account and click on Login. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download and install Filmora 14 for free.